Hi, this is Holmes Guide. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of gaming consoles, specifically exploring which one reigns supreme for sports games. Whether you're into football, basketball, or racing, finding the perfect console can make all the difference in your gaming experience. Join us as we analyze the top contenders and help you choose the ultimate platform for your sports gaming adventures. Let's get started. Number 1. Nintendo Switch Lite, a sleek, featherweight marvel bursting with vibrant personality. With a rainbow of hues to choose from, this compact powerhouse brings gaming to life in style. Whether you're diving into solo adventures or engaging in epic multiplayer showdowns, the Switch Lite delivers seamless online and local wireless play. And let's not forget its unrivaled library, where Mario and his pals await countless adventures. Say hello to your new gaming companion, where fun meets portability in the palm of your hand. Number 2. Logitech's G Cloud handheld portable gaming console is a game changer. With its sleek design and vibrant 7-inch touchscreen, gaming feels more immersive than ever. The long-lasting battery ensures endless gaming sessions on the go. Whether you're conquering Xbox Cloud gaming or diving into Google Play, this console delivers stunning 1080p visuals with buttery smooth performance, thanks to NVIDIA GeForce Now integration. Lightweight and portable, it's your ultimate gaming companion. Say goodbye to boredom and hello to non-stop fun with Logitech's G Cloud. Number 3. Confalone handheld game console revolutionizes gaming on the go. With over 5,000 classic games packed into its sleek design, boredom is a thing of the past. The vibrant 4-inch HD screen brings retro favorites to life with stunning clarity, while the dual joystick layout ensures precise control for an immersive experience. Want to level up your gaming? Simply connect to your TV via HDMI for big screen action. Portable and rechargeable, it's the ultimate gift for any gaming enthusiast. Say hello to endless entertainment and goodbye to dull moments with Confalone handheld game console. Number 4. Beiju's 16-bit handheld games for kids and adults delivers nostalgia in the palm of your hand. With a vibrant 3.0-foot screen and 100 preloaded HD classic retro games, this console is a gaming paradise for all ages. From timeless favorites to addictive challenges, every gaming session is a trip down memory lane. Its USB rechargeable design ensures endless entertainment on the go, perfect for long trips or cozy nights in. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or introducing the joy of retro gaming to a new generation, Beiju's handheld console is the ultimate birthday or Christmas present. Get ready to lose yourself in a world of pixelated adventures with this must-have electronic game player. Number 5. Dasnura RG353 vs Retro Video Handheld Game Console, the ultimate gaming companion. With its sleek design and powerful RK3566 CPU, it delivers a gaming experience like no other. The 3.5-inch IPS screen brings your favorite classics to life, while the 64GB TF card preload ensures endless entertainment. From nostalgic gems to modern marvels, enjoy 4420+ games at your fingertips. Plus, with Bluetooth 4.2 and 5G Wi-Fi compatibility, you can connect and compete with ease. Elevate your gaming journey with Dasnura RG353 vs, where retro meets cutting edge. In conclusion, when it comes to choosing the best gaming console for sports games, consider factors like graphics, performance, and exclusive titles. Whether you're a fan of football, basketball, or racing, each platform offers unique experiences tailored to your preferences. Thanks for watching, and may your gaming adventures be filled with excitement and victory.